Bon, on va regarder une vidéo tous ensemble. Ce sera kiffant. Moi, c'est la première fois que je veux le regarder, mais il paraît qu'il va prendre. Oh, ce sera notre surprise. Regardez tous. Regardez-les. C'est une surprise. Hein.
Poke on him. Come on, go, 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 go. 2, 1. She does that about every 2 hours. Even when we just took her outside. I'm gonna try to get a little bit more sleep and then I'll continue with this video. So good night. Okay, Dylan's here and we're gonna go to Walmart right now. Alright. Boston. Yeah, it's starting to get chilly out. Do any of you guys remember this coat? Because I wore it in my 100K special when I jumped off that bridge. What the frick? The zipper broke. Whatever, it'll be fine. Let's go. Told you guys it was cold. Why did I do that?
Oh, pas faire ça là. Ben non.
It's a face, relax! Alright, I have to bring this as well so Walmart doesn't kick me out. I forgot to tell you guys, he's out of school today because he's doing a job shadow or something for, what's it, English? Yep, English class. Yeah, I don't have that stuff.
Ah, il faut aller au magasin en fait. Faut acheter quoi des mentos? Que des mentos?
Ok.
Putain, il va aller sur le magasin. Ouais. Du coca. Ouais, puis il va prendre son bain. Leur bas avec du coca, du mentos, je crois.
Alright, move over, Kate. Okay, so we ended up buying 31 scoopers of Coke, 15 packages of 6 rolls of Mentos, and taking this off because too many people are looking at me. Let's go home. To the boogie all night long.
Ouais, la chanter.
I wish I could sing, that'd be a start. Never dance like this before. We don't talk about it. Alright, we're about to bring in all the 2 liters, and hey, none of them burst. That's pretty cool. Oh, these fell out though. Mission failed. We'll get them next time. My mom called me. She's like, "Don't ruin my bath." And I was like, "How would it ruin it?" She goes, "Well, aren't Mentos chocolate?" And I'm like, "No." But yeah, Quentin is on his way over right now. We're all gonna get inside of the bath. My dog Rose really needs a bath, so we could just put her in there. That's a good idea with the laundry basket. You've got a head on your shoulders, young man. I actually looked at my shoulders there for a second. Here, I'll get these. You get all the 2 liters. Fair? Fair.
Mettez en commentaire si vous faites pareil. Si vous allez faire pareil.
So much Coca-Cola. If this gets on my face, like I swear I'm gonna dump my head because I'm gonna get so much acne.
Coca-Cola.
Open all of the Mentos and we're gonna stick them in
C'est
this
du
bowl
vrai.
and then we'll just
Que
dump
du
them all at
gâchis.
once. Okay, guys. I couldn't too, by the way. We'll put like 1 Mento in first to see the reaction. I just noticed all the pop you have. First, we're gonna take all these out of the freaking packages. It's like double wrap.
Ah, ils mettent les mentos dans le... Dans la baignoire,
It's my phone, by ready. Your mom's calling you, Quentin! I've seen people do this before, but I think we're taking this to a whole new level. I've never seen it done with this many. We legit bought every one they had in the store.
Bon, là, comme vous voyez, ils mettent des mentos, je crois, dans la baignoire.
Okay, let's put them all inside the bowls. Bro, this better not ruin my clickbait underwear.
Ah d'accord, de mettre en fait dans le bol.
Then I'm gonna become a scientist. Remember, kids, you can learn a good science lesson from this. When you put mints on your toes, they fizz up. Okay, we've got them both filled up. Finally, that took like 30 minutes. So Quentin did this one. These are all the white ones that I think will react a lot better. I have no idea if these will actually do anything. They're the fruit ones, but here's the last one. Yeah. You just ruined it. I'm sorry. Okay, I don't want to get any Coke on the shirt. I like the shirt. No hating, okay? I'm working on it. Okay, ready? Yep.
Ah, ça y est. Quoi, ils mettent... Ah, ils vont mettre le coca dans la baignoire. Ah, ils vont mettre le coca dans la baignoire. Mais non.
No. I've never stood in Coke before.
Que du gâchis.
Dude, if this gets in the jets, my mommy's gonna get mad. Look, I'm peeing. We can do the challenge where we have to drink the whole bottle in 1 second. Screw that. Dude, are you sure this is gonna fill up the bathtub? Nope. Let's go buy more. Alright, last Coca-Cola bottle. It didn't fill up as much as I thought. God, why does it take so much? Okay, we went to Walmart and we bought 15 more.
J'ai encore du
So,
coca.
hopefully this still works. I can feel the heat off of it. It's gross.
Ouais, t'as encore du coca en
Put
fait.
your hand right above it.
Voilà.
That's so weird. Damn, Bennett, it's
Ah,
like a
mais il va
nuclear
encore
powered
mettre
bath.
du
Yeah,
coca.
it's just toxic. Can't wait to bathe in it. Looks like a syrup. We could put this on our pancakes. Why don't we get like a hose and use that as a straw and drink it? Oh, what am I nose? What am I nose? Oh, God. Hey, look at my workout skill. Okay, give me one of each Mento. I'm just gonna drop it in. Try the fruity one first. Fruity one first. Ready? Yes.
En tout cas,
It
ça
did a
me fait
little
pas.
bit. It did basically nothing. Alright, let's do it. It's bubbling a little. It is bubbling. It's because they're little Mentos with a big amount of mass. Oh, God. Should we just dump it all in? Yeah. No, you gotta lay in it first. Lay in it? Lay in it, and me and Dylan will dump these on. Yeah. It's so cold. Oh,
Encore.
dude, my balls, they should not have Coke on them. Come on,
Encore, ça va mousser. Ça va mousser.
All at once. Oh, it feels so cool. Oh, this
Ah, mais
feels
ça
like
bouge
one of
pas
those
trop.
like
Si, ça
spa
bouge
things.
quand même. Hein. Un vrai moussant. Un vrai moussant de coca et de mentos.
Did we buy the wrong Mentos or something? It feels pretty good, not gonna lie. Oh, it's freezing. I told you. Oh, it's cold. I know.
Et mettez aux commentaires, voilà. Et les 2 pouces bleus aussi.
If this doesn't work, you could just, oh my God. I'm pretty sure we should have got towels.
Et par contre aussi, j'ai vu une vidéo il y a pas longtemps. Voilà, c'était avec du beurre, un bain de beurre de cacahuète. Ouais, ouais. Un bain de beurre de cacahuète. Et aussi, un qui a mis aussi du piment. Voilà, un qui s'est pris un beurre et le piment. Et aussi avec d'autres trucs aussi. Et ouais. Moi, je ferai pas pareil. Je
Okay,
mettrai
guys, well,
pas
as you saw, that didn't
ça.
really work very well, and I've been informed by someone that works with my mom that you actually have to use Diet Coke,
Voilà,
and I
il dit,
feel really
mettez
stupid,
un
and probably
pouce
half of you have
bleu,
commented
un
that if it's true.
commentaire.
And yeah, right now we're gonna
ouais.
go to Walmart, buy about the same amount of bottles, and we're gonna do it again for you guys. So yeah, we're gonna go to Walmart. I'm just gonna like skip over all the Walmart stuff. We already did that, and we're just gonna cut to the chase. We will see you up in the bathroom. Okay, so we're back home. We got the Diet Coke now, and we got all the Mentos again. We got more blue this time. Hopefully the mint will do a better job. Dylan left real quick, but he'll be back in a minute. But in the meantime, I'm gonna grab one of these, and we're gonna go outside. We'll go
Coca
outside,
Light.
and I'll drop one of them in it, and we will see how much of a reaction it is. Okay, here we
Bah,
go.
ils vont le mettre à la piscine, hein, le Coca Light. Ah non, ils ont foutu un mentos là dans la bouteille. Ah ouais, ça agite là quand même. Hein. Faire ça dehors, hein. Si quelqu'un qui le fait, faites-le dehors.
Did you test it outside?
Faites pas pareil, faites-le dehors.
With two?
Ah, il y a sa maman. Ça doit être sa mère.
And on the ceiling and down the curtains, right on the room stuff.
Alright, we're almost done emptying them out. This better be cool. Like, I'd rather it ruin
Voilà,
our
plein
house
de
and it be
mentos,
cool than it not do
encore.
anything again and I waste another $200. We gotta go downstairs because my mom doesn't want us to ruin the upstairs for some reason.
Ah ouais, mais en fait, eux, ils prennent que des bains de coca, en fait. Ouais. Ils prennent pas de l'eau, que du coca. Là, ils vont mettre encore du coca, mais light. Bon, ben, si vous voulez, faites pareil. Hein. Mettez un commentaire si vous faites pareil. Ou si vous l'avez déjà fait.
If it starts going crazy, I'm putting the phone down. And
No, you're not. You're recording. This is for the video. All right, ready? 3, 2. Rose, come on. I'm trying to do a countdown here. 3, 2, 1. Dude, this This is perfect. It's not going everywhere, but it's still cool. So it seems like no matter what, like if you have it in a bottle, it'll go high with one. But if you do a whole bathtub full, it won't matter because it's been exposed to air too long or whatever. Mission failed. We'll get them next time. Another letdown. $200 later. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thumbs up for our 2 attempts at this. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share with friends if you enjoyed.
Bon, voilà.
Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the
Je
next
comprends
one.
rien du tout en fait.
Peace out.
Je comprends pas l'anglais.
Thanks, Mom. I didn't want to touch it with my coat hand.
Bon, ben. Si vous faites pareil, ben, mettez-moi en commentaire, un pouce bleu ou quoi, voilà. Et mettez en commentaire pour voir si vous faites pareil. Voilà, bon allez. Ciao, bonne soirée. Bisous à tout le monde et adios. À plus tard.